Hi, hello, welcome to the Caffeinated Journal. My name is Shreya and I hope you're doing well. So, today's video is a DIY, and we will be making a vintage looking paper that we all love using in our spreads but don't always have old books to tear it from, or like some people don't like to tear their old books. So here are two simple methods of making your own vintage looking paper, and you only need four things to make it: old magazines or newspapers, some instant coffee, water, and a bowl to mix it all in. So for the first method, tear some pages from the magazine or newspaper into smaller pieces, then take a bowl, add some water and coffee to it, and mix it well. Then start dipping the paper scraps into it and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then dry them on a flat surface. Yes, it is that simple. Well, here are a few tips for you before you begin. Make sure to tear the pages well so that you get those nice deckled edges that will have a darker tint. It is better to take those glossy pages of the magazine or newspaper since they retain the water better when you dip it in. But if you don't have glossy paper, you could use the second method for achieving the same results with a thinner paper. If you prefer a lighter yellow color, you could use tea instead of coffee. But however, it will take a bit longer to get the color onto the paper, and you will have to keep an eye on it, but it will still get the work done. For more natural look, what I like doing is adding a few drops of the coffee mixture after setting the paper to dry. That way some parts of the paper are darker than the rest, and that to me feels more natural. You can either air dry it or use a hair dryer like I did, or a heat gun if you have. And if it does not dry flat, use a rough cloth to straighten it up a bit, or you could just rub it in your palms, and that will make it flat as well. Now, moving on to the second method, I'm just pouring the coffee mixture over the paper. Here I have taken a regular printer paper, which is quite thinner as compared to the magazine paper that I used previously. Here you could either use a spoon to pour the mixture or use a brush to give it that nice light wash. But this method is preferable if the paper is thinner. Yeah, and it is that simple. It's extremely simple to make. And now once you have dried this, it is ready to use in your journals. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like, and it would be great if you could subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you so much for watching. See ya, bye, take care, and stay safe.